Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. I do not ask you to buy anything. Do not sell you anything. Everything that I give out is for free. By the way, if you're looking to download stuff free, Forex robots, books, indicators and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Let's get into today's video. Okay, you saw by the title of the video, it's just some of the tips that I would give to somebody who is into scalping. I used to be a big scalper myself. I've since moved from that because I've had new commitments in my life. So let's quickly share some of the tips that I have. What you want to do if you are a scalper, scalping where you are getting in and getting out of trades like that. So first of all, what you want to do, what I found worked for me was do a little bit of multi time frame analysis. Uh, you might start on the 30-minute or the 1 hour. It depends on how the markets are moving, but you ideally 1 hour is okay, but you can drop down to the 30 minutes. So what you want to do is you want to go to the 1 hour so that you get an understanding of what's happening. For example, we can see what's happening there, and we have what's happening there. That's what's happening with 1 hour candles. From there, then you can drop down either to your 5 minute, whatever rocks your boat, or whatever time frame that you are using. 15 minutes is okay, but it's not exactly for scalpers. 1 minute, 5 minute is the deal for scalpers. Then you come down to here. You see our purple lines tell us what's happening with our hourly candles. So when you come to this zone, what we're now expecting is either a breakout. Then if it's a breakout, obviously we are going to buy. But if we notice that we are now in a bearish move, then certainly we want to sell. The mistake that I find most scalpers do is in this area, they immediately sell. Like somewhere around here, you sell. Or you are just setting up yourself for disaster because we are in the zone for buying. You get what I mean? You are setting yourself up for disaster. Don't buy at the lows. Don't sell at the lows. You buy at the lows and you sell at the highs. Those basic rules. Sell at the top, buy at the bottom. So what you want to do is here you want to watch out for confirmation that either we are like that, like we are going down, or we are going to break out, and you wait for a test of this area, and hopefully we go that way. Otherwise, if we are going to go down, we do also look for confirmation that we are going down. You might get it going straight down, or you might actually get a bounce and we create something like an M formation there. So this is where your patterns work out, where you have your candlestick formations and stuff like that. But second point, importantly, after you did your analysis and you have a bias here, I'm waiting for price to start showing me a bias to the downside. Then I can start selling. I'm only looking for sales. I'm not looking for buys. I'm looking for sales, probably up to around about this area. I don't exactly go all the way to the level because sometimes the market has a way of just before it reaches the level, it goes back up. So I don't want to get caught in that. Now, what are some of the rules that are important? It's important as a scalper that you have a stop loss and you have a take profit. Many people doing scalping, they do not have these things. That's how you end up donating to the broker. What you want to do is have your stop loss there. There I'll put my stop loss. My TPs will start from there, and next from there, and as we go down. But what you want to do, instead of trading blindly and giving away money that you'd have made in the market, what you want to do is bank your money. Bank your money. Being a scalper, you are at an advantage that you can sell. Let's say here, you sold there a standard lot, and we are aiming around this zone. When we are around here, take 90% of that trade, close it, and leave the 10% to continue to this level. If you want to hold it, you can continue with the 10% to that 90% is enough to pay for if things do not go okay here. Even if it traces on you, at least you have what? You have banked something. If it manages to retrace on you, you can still what? Manage to have that trade in profit. So if you sold a standard here, you sold a standard here, then what you want to do is definitely have an area, maybe 50%. We said our TP is probably here, so we want say 50% area there. You sold a standard lot, you come around this region, you take out the majority of that standard lot, whether it's 0.80, 0.90, 0.70, it's up to you. And then you leave the remainder to go. Whatever happens to that remainder from that standard lot, well, whatever happens to it, this amount that you closed can still pay for this part if things don't go your way. That's a second rule. Third rule is related to what I've just said. Try as much as possible to quickly bank your profit before the market turns against you. You are a scalper. Don't get in the habit of trying to hold trades for too long. The moment the market gives you good enough profit, bank it. Bank it. No regrets, bank it. And don't try to be too smart. Another tip, don't try to be too smart with the market. Simple rules. Find a simple rule is, are you chasing M formations? Are you chasing V formations? Are you chasing trend lines? Are you chasing trend lines? Are you chasing channels? Keep things simple. Keep things simple. Keep things simple. The advantage of scalping is you can easily trade support and resistance with no problems whatsoever. Find a resistance, find the support area, you make your money. So I thought, let me share with you some of these tips. If you have tips that you have been using, if you're a scalper, leave them in the comment section below. I'd like to hear what has worked for you as a scalper. Let's make this money.